Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001-2015 certified institute. Download the Ignite India app to get free access of NATA study materials. We have important updates for NATA second attempt. 1. NATA second attempt new date announcement. 2. New curriculum and brochure. 3. New extended registration date for NATA second attempt. Just be with us till the end to know everything in details. The National Aptitude Test of Architecture NATA second attempt exam has been postponed. In view of the severity of second wave of COVID-19 and subsequent lockdowns being imposed in several states and union territories in the country for containment of pandemic, it has been decided by the competent authority of the Council of Architecture that the second test of data 2021 examination shall now be held on 11th July 2021 instead of earlier scheduled date 12th June 2021. The revised NATA brochure, with revised important dates for the second test, shall be uploaded shortly on NATA website www.nata.in and as well on website of Council www.coe.gov.in. The NATA portal shall remain open to facilitate students applying for registration for second test. It may be clarified that as per COA, Minimum Standards of Architecture Education, Regulation, 2020, all candidates need to qualify an aptitude test conducted by the Council of Architecture for admission to Bachelors of Architecture courses. NATA 2021 Eligibility Criteria. Before applying for the examination, candidates must fulfill the required NATA Eligibility Criteria 2021. Age criteria. There is no age limit to apply for National Aptitude Test in Architecture. Qualifying examination, passed in 10 plus 2 scheme of examination or 10 plus 3 diploma examination. Candidates appearing in 2021 are also eligible to apply for NATA. International Baccalaureate Diploma passed appearing after 10 years of schooling with mathematics as a compulsory subject of examination. Qualifying exam subjects 10 plus 2 with physics, chemistry, mathematics, and 10 plus 3 diploma holders, any stream, appearing recognized by central state government with mathematics as one of the subjects. Arts stream candidates having arts stream are also eligible if they have qualified physics, chemistry, and mathematics subjects conducted by CBSE. NATA registration for second attempt is still open. Students can register themselves at www.nata.in. NATA 2021 Application Form. NATA Application Form 2021 is interactive and can be filled in few simple steps. NATA registration 2021 is completely online and is as follows. Step 1. Visit NATA official website nata.in and navigate to Online Application 2021. Step 2. Fill personal details like name, parents' name, date of birth, correspondence address likewise. 8-digit numeric application number will be generated for the candidate. After which applicants have to choose a password and security question for further login. Step 3. Login again using the credentials, application number and password, and upload the images in the specified format. Scan recent color photograph, preferably in white background and clear signature on white paper in JPG format has to be uploaded. NATA 2021 Exam Pattern. Council of Architecture, COA, has released NATA 2021 exam pattern for first attempt, and it is similar to the pattern will be followed. Highlights of NATA exam pattern 2021 are as follows. NATA 2021 will be conducted in two parts, namely Part A and Part B. Part A comprises of 3 drawing questions to be answered in online mode on a 4-size drawing sheets. Part B will have 50 objective questions on PCM and general aptitude logical reasoning. NATA syllabus for drawing test. Understanding the important visual principles in a composition, 2D and 3D, such as rhythm, balance, directions, hierarchy, etc. Understanding geometry and the ability to visualize the shape and solve geometrical puzzles to test special intelligence. Understanding the color theory and the various terminologies to test color scheme awareness and knowledge. Visual system interpretation and perception to test graphical similarities and other properties, ability to understand the spatial relationship between objects and to visualize images and scenarios, tests for cognitive ability perception, attention, recognition, memory, etc. We will be posting new videos related to NATA's second attempt. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press bell icon button to get all notifications whenever we will be uploading our new video. Download Ignite India app. Stay safe, stay positive, good luck. We'll see you in next video.